Can I connect my Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without a password?
Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing whether or not you can connect your Vizio TV to a Wi-Fi network without a password. It's important to remember that Wi-Fi networks are typically password protected to secure your connection and prevent unauthorized access.
Can you connect to Wi-Fi without a password?
The short answer is, generally, no. The purpose of a Wi-Fi password is to protect the network from unauthorized access. If your Wi-Fi has no password, that typically means it's an open network and anyone can connect to it. However, for a private network, you'll almost always need a password.
What if I don't know my Wi-Fi password?
If you don't know your Wi-Fi password, you can usually find it by checking the sticker on your router, in your router settings, if you're already connected on another device, or by contacting your internet service provider. This password is necessary to connect your Vizio TV to your Wi-Fi network.
How do I connect my Vizio TV to Wi-Fi?
Connecting your Vizio TV to Wi-Fi is a fairly straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Turn on your Vizio TV and go to the home screen. 2. Select Network or Network Settings from the menu. 3. Choose Wireless and your TV will start searching for available networks. 4. Select your Wi-Fi network from the list. 5. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. This is necessary to establish a secure connection. 6. Wait for your TV to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you should be able to access internet-based services on your Vizio TV. So, the answer to the question, can I connect my Vizio TV to Wi-Fi without a password, is no, not if the Wi-Fi network is secured, which is generally the case for private networks. You'll need the password for your specific network. If you're having trouble finding this, refer back to Section 2 for tips on where to find it. Thanks for joining us in this video, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer for you. Remember, a secure connection is crucial for safe internet usage.